In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dashboard filters in Salesforce. This process is straightforward and incredibly valuable for anyone looking to customize their dashboards for more specific data analysis. Whether you're looking to focus on certain criteria within your data or simply want to streamline your reporting process, these steps will guide you through it all. Let's get started by logging into Salesforce. This is your first step, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once logged in, navigate over to the Lightning Experience. Here you should see a tab labeled Dashboard. If for some reason you don't see this tab immediately, don't worry. Simply click on the app launcher, type in Dashboard, and select it from the available options. It should bring you right where you need to be. Next, locate the dashboard you wish to add filters to. Select it, and then click on the Edit button. This action is crucial because it opens up the dashboard in a mode that allows you to make modifications, including adding filters. Now that you're in the edit mode, move on to selecting a component within the dashboard you'll be working on. Once you have your component of choice, look for the Add Filter option and click on it. This step is where you begin defining how you want the dashboard to filter your data. From here, you'll need to decide on the specific field you want to filter by. The choice of field will depend on what aspect of the data you're aiming to explore further or narrow down. Consider what information is most relevant to your current analysis needs. Once the field is selected, it's time to set some filter options and default values. This is where you can fine-tune your filter to ensure it's targeting precisely the data subset you're interested in. Think about factors such as date ranges, specific metrics, or any other variable that could help refine the view of your data. After setting your options, you might want to apply these filters to other relevant components within the dashboard. This ensures that the filtering effect is consistent across multiple data points, maintaining the integrity and focus of your dashboard. Finally, it's time to save your progress. Don't forget to click Save to keep all your hard work intact. Once saved, it's a good practice to refresh the dashboard to apply the changes fully. This way, you can see how everything looks and ensure that the filters function as expected. And there you have it. With your dashboard filters set up and applied, your Salesforce dashboard should now provide an even deeper level of insight into your data, tailored just the way you need it. Keep practicing these steps to master dashboard customization, and it will surely become second nature.